Did you realize your diesel engine is quietly sabotaging itself? Losing up to 40% of its power and efficiency due to the typical way you drive. For most diesel owners, this degradation is invisible until a catastrophic failure hits, leaving you with nothing but bills for costly repairs or a premature engine replacement. But what if I told you about a simple, virtually unknown maneuver that professional diesel mechanics have been utilizing for decades? A method proven to recover lost horsepower, significantly boost fuel economy, and potentially push your diesel's life expectancy far beyond the 400,000-mile mark. Today, I'm going to unmask this essential technique, exactly what it is, the safe, step-by-step instructions for executing it, and the ideal frequency to keep your engine running as smoothly as the day you drove it off the lot. Stick with me because I'll also reveal the telltale warning signs that scream your engine needs this intervention now. Ready to protect your diesel investment and dodge a financial disaster? Let's get into it. The root cause of power loss. So, why does your diesel gradually weaken? Modern diesel engines are marvels of engineering, designed for immense endurance. The critical issue is a mismatch between design and daily use. Diesels were engineered for sustained operation under varying heavy loads. Think cross-country haulers, fishing vessels, or heavy machinery. These conditions naturally cycle the engine across its full RPM range, effectively cleansing the system of deposits. Your daily routine, the stop-and-go commute, the school pickups, the quick runs to the store, is the engine's kryptonite. It keeps the engine at low RPMs and light loads, meaning it rarely reaches full operating temperature. Consequently, the exhaust system never gets hot enough to incinerate the soot and carbon deposits forming inside. Over time, this leads to a disastrous chain reaction. Carbon clogs the intake manifold, stifling airflow. The EGR, or exhaust gas recirculation system, chokes on soot. The DPF, or diesel particulate filter, overfills faster than it can regenerate. Even the turbocharger gets gummed up. The net effect is a slow, steady drain on power, efficiency, and dependability, all happening beneath the surface until the repair bills become undeniable. By the way, if you find this information valuable, insightful, and even a little surprising, please subscribe and join our community of proactive vehicle enthusiasts. It helps us continue producing research content like this.
The solution: the Italian tune-up. So, how do we reverse this carbon buildup without resorting to expensive shop time? The key is the technique mechanics have secretly relied on: the Italian tune-up. Don't let the name confuse you. This isn't a workshop service. It's a specific driving methodology that involves operating your diesel at higher RPMs and loads for a consistent period. This generates the necessary heat and airflow to naturally scrub away carbon deposits and restore your engine's internal health. The name comes from the stereotype of aggressive driving, but the mechanics are scientifically sound. High heat and high flow are natural carbon cleaners. For a diesel, this technique forces the engine to complete DPF regeneration cycles that city driving interrupts, burn off carbon from the intake valves and EGR components, thoroughly cycle the turbocharger through its entire range, bring all essential systems up to optimal operating temperature. This isn't about reckless driving. It's about giving your diesel the necessary working environment to maintain peak condition. How to perform the Italian tune-up safely. Before you execute this powerful cleaning cycle, you must ensure your engine is ready. Here are your prerequisites. Fluids check. Verify that your oil and coolant levels and condition are perfect. Air filter. Confirm it is clean and not heavily restricted. Warning lights. Do not attempt this if any dashboard warning lights are illuminated. Next, find the right location. You need a highway or quiet rural road where you can safely sustain a higher speed for 15 to 20 minutes. City streets won't work. Here's the plan. Warm up. Drive normally for 5 to 10 minutes until your diesel reaches full operating temperature. Accelerate and load. Get up to highway speed, example 65 to 75 miles per hour, and shift down to maintain an RPM of around 2,500 in the highest safe gear. Sustain. Hold this speed and engine load for the full 15 to 20 minutes. The goal is sustained heat and pressure, not speed. Then cool down. When finished, revert to normal driving and let the engine idle for a few minutes before shutting it off to protect the turbo and other systems. Following these steps allows your diesel to start naturally dissolving carbon, instantly recovering efficiency and power.
The science of cleaning. Why is this driving method so effective for diesels? Diesel combustion depends on high compression and high temperature for optimal performance. Short trips prevent this necessary heat. A high RPM, high-load Italian tune-up achieves several critical things. Elevates temperature, raises the combustion temperature high enough to incinerate carbon deposits, boosts airflow, increases the exhaust velocity to carry loosened particles. Turbo health, cycles the turbocharger across its full operational range, preventing fouling on the wheels and keeping the variable geometry mechanisms free. Emission system management. Crucially, it forces a complete hot DPF regeneration and creates the necessary flow to clean the EGR valves, stopping them from sticking. In essence, the Italian tune-up forces your diesel to operate as it was designed, powerful, efficient, and dependable. When and how often to tune? For most drivers, performing an Italian tune-up every 2 weeks strikes the perfect balance. However, your routine dictates the schedule. Long-haul drivers, once a month may suffice, as your normal driving is already a partial tune-up. City and short-trip drivers, you may need to do it weekly to actively combat rapid carbon accumulation. Watch for these immediate warning signs that your engine needs this treatment now. Noticeable loss of power or sluggishness, puffs of black smoke upon acceleration, rough running or excessive engine vibration at idle, a drop in fuel economy, frequent DPF warning lights or regeneration cycles. If these appear, don't wait for your schedule, perform the tune-up immediately. Early intervention is the best defense against major engine failure.
The lasting benefits. When executed consistently, this simple driving technique offers dramatic returns. Restored power, engines suffering from buildup often see a 10 to 15% recovery of original horsepower. Improved fuel economy. Better combustion efficiency means less money spent at the pump. Emission system longevity. You prevent expensive component failures. A DPF replacement can cost $3,000 and EGR systems can run $1,500 or more. Extended engine life. Regular high-load operation keeps systems functioning flawlessly, with many owners reporting engines lasting over 400,000 miles with minimal emission issues. A mere 15 to 20-minute drive under the right conditions can undo months of performance decline, safeguard your expensive emission systems, and keep your diesel running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. Alternatives and final thoughts. What if you don't have a long open road? The goal remains the same. Create the conditions necessary to cleanse the carbon. You can consider using high-quality, proven diesel fuel additives designed to clean the intake and DPF systems, prioritizing longer drives at moderate RPMs whenever possible on rural roads, maintaining a meticulous schedule for fluid and filter changes. The core message is this: this maneuver isn't about driving aggressively, it's about simulating the high heat, flow, and load conditions your diesel was designed for. A little preventative effort every couple of weeks can translate to decades of trouble-free driving, keeping your diesel in like-new condition and preventing costly breakdowns. So there you have it, the potent yet straightforward method to protect your diesel investment, the Italian tune-up. Just 15 to 20 minutes under the right conditions every few weeks is all it takes to reclaim lost power, maximize fuel efficiency, and protect high-cost components. City driving is convenient, but it's a breeding ground for carbon buildup. Don't wait for the red flags. Take control and give your diesel the maintenance it deserves. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button, share it with other diesel owners, and subscribe for more money-saving vehicle tips. Your engine will thank you for it.